The primary of a transformer when connected to DC battery of 10 volt drawn a current of 1 megaampere current. The number of turns of the primary and the secondary windings are 50 and 100 respectively. Okay, number of 1, that is N1 is equal to 50 and N2 is equal to 100. The voltage is secondary and the current drawn by the circuit in the secondary are respectively. Okay. Here directly we can mark the answer because the current drawn by the circuit in the secondary is 0. Because the transformer is connected to a DC battery, transformer works only on AC supply, not on DC supply. So we can directly mark the answer. It is 0 and therefore no current. We can mark this answer because the transformer works for AC supply. Transformer works for AC supply. But here they're asking for the DC battery. DC battery, it will not supply. So our answer is 0 and therefore there is no current. Option C is the right answer.